Welcome to the XME.digital Enterprise API Builder series. In this series, we will show you how extract filtered data from the database. Imagine we have to get only specific customer data from database. For example, we need only their personal information and transactions. For this use case, we pre-configured a fictional customer. We go to the administration, then to the client management section. Here we see our clients, and pick the one we created for this demo. In the client data, we see two scopes, personal info and transactions, which we added during the configuration. They function as objects that we will call from the database. Let's go back to the API section and select our flow. In the call application settings, we have request as the action type as we are literally want to request data, and get as our method. In the restrict by scope action, we can specify which fields must be filled if a specific scope, aka object, is added. For example, if there is a card scope, then information about the bank card will be returned. If there is no such scope, the system won't return it. Simple. To launch the flow, we will need an HTTP client. Now we call the API and receive the full JSON. And we see that the system returned all the customer data, the bank card information, billing address, transactions, profile, and so on. Now let's authorize under the profile of the client we pre-configured earlier, and call the API we created together in our flow. Remember, we have specified objects we want to receive. The system has to return only filtered data. The response shows that the system only returned the client's personal information and transactions. Notice that you can configure this action for example, permissions or roles, basically, for any business logic. In this series, we showed you how to extract only specific data from the base using filters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.